Hello, our students akkam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii iddoo jirtan hundumatti nageenya waaqayyoo isiniif haa ta'u. Gaaffii 22 isiniif qabadhee dhiyaadheera. Isinis GO lesson 17 TUV wajjin ta'uun akka qayyabattan gamanumaan isin affeera. Barattoota viidiyoo kana keessatti no new content jedhee yeroo mata duree godhadhee dhufu sababni isaas xalayaa ministeerri barnootaa gaafa guyyaa 15 ji'a 7 2017 waa'ee barattoota remeediyaalii ilaalchisee baase wabeeffadheeni. Kanaafuu kitaabni jijjiirame mujoolli jijjiirame jechuun qabiyyeen barnootichaa hundumtuu haqame jechuu miti. Waan itti dabalamu dabalamee boqonnaan wal jijjiire malee jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf mata dureen viidiyoo kanaa har'a nuyi barannu kaalkulamii haaraa kutaa 11ffaa histiriin boqonnaa 3 irratti kan argannu yoo ta'u, remeediyaalii mujoolii haaraa amma isiniif bahe keessaa yuunitii 2ffaa irratti arganna. Akkasumas kitaaba durii jijjiirame kutaa 9ffaa boqonnaa 2 irratti kan argannu yoo ta'u, kitaaba amma dhufe kutaa 9ffaa haaraa ammoo boqonnaa 7ffaa irratti mata duree kan argannu. Kanaafuu viidiyoon karaa GO lesson 17 TV isiniif hojjetamu. Barattoota qormaata remeediyaalii fi ኢንትራንስ fudhattanii walqixaan kan isin fayyadu ta'uu isin hubachiisa. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? ባላችሁበት የጌታ ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ። ዛሬ በዚህ ቪዲዮ ውስጥ ከአዲሱ መጽሐፍ የ11ኛ ክፍል ሂስትሪ ቻፕተር 3 ከአዲሱ የሬሜዲያል ሞጁል ዩኒት 2 ከአሮጌው የ9ኛ ክፍል ዩኒት 7 እና የአዲሱ 9ኛ ክፍል ሂስትሪ ቻፕተር 7 ለኢንትራንስ እና ለሬሜዲያል በሚጠቅመው መልኩ በዚህ ቪዲዮ ውስጥ ኖ ኒው ኮንቴንት ብዬ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። ይህም ማለት ምንም ያህል መጽሐፍ ቢቀያየር ይዘቱ ያው ነው። የይዘቱ ልዩነት የምዕራፍ መቀያየር ብቻ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይህ ደግሞ በእናንተ ላይ ተጽዕኖ እንደሌለው ትምህርት ሚኒስቴር በ15/7/2017 ባወጣው ደብዳቤ ላይ ተንተርሼ ደግሜ ደጋግሜ መግለጫ መስጠቴ ይታወቃል። Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. What was the main reason for the ancient Egyptians trade expedition to Punt? Sababni murteessaan daldaltoonni Ijipt durii gara Puntitti duula taasisan maali? ዋነኛው የድሮ ኢጂፕሽያን ነጋዴዎች ወደ ፑንት ዘመቻን ያደረጉበት ምክንያት ምንድን ነው? A. To establish a military alliance. B. To acquire luxury goods such as Mari and Aisans. C. To spread their religious beliefs. D. To settle Egyptian colonies. Question number 2. What geographical area is most commonly associated with the ancient land of Punt? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa naannoleen ji'oogiraafawaa baay'inaan ፑንት warra durii wajjin wal qabatu kami? ከጥንታውያን ፑንቶች ጋር የሚያያዘው ጂኦግራፊያዊ ኤሪያ የቱ ነው? ኤ ሞደርን ዴይ ሱዳን፣ ቢ ዘ ኢትዮጵያን ሃይላንድስ፣ ሲ ዘ ሆርን ኦፍ አፍሪካ ላይክ ሶማሊያ፣ ኤሪትሪያ እንደ ጅቡቲ፣ ዲ ናይል ዴልታ። GO lesson 17 tube miidiyaa milkoomina egeree dhalattootaa galmaan ga'uuf hundaa'e. GO lesson 17 tubein qormaata intiraansii bara 2016 keessatti gaaffii hojjechuu ibsaa fi tiitoolee adda addaa kennuudhaan kan barattoota gargaaruu danda'e carraa egeree dhalattootaa milkeessuudhaaf hojjechaa kan jiru GO lesson 17 tube ለመጪው ትውልድ ስኬት እየተጋ ያለ የማህበረሰቡ ሚዲያ GO lesson 17 tube ለተማሪዎች እየሰጠ ያለው ትምህርታዊ እገዛ የላቀ ነው። ምሳሌ keessan dhaabbilee barnootaa, dhaabbilee daldalaa akkasumas ogummaalee adda addaa yoo qabaatan beeksifachuu kan dandeessan ta'uu gamanumaan isin beeksisna. Ancient Egyptians valued Punt for the luxury goods such as Mari and Aisans and also frankincense. Sababni Egyptianonni warri durii Puntiin barbaadaniif gatii meeshaalee qaala'aa kanneen akka ixaanaa, karbee fi dinii fayyadamuudhaaf jecha የድሮ ኢጂፕሽያኖች ፑንትን የሚፈልጉበት ዋነኛው ምክንያት ውድ የሆኑ ዕቃዎች እንደነ ከርቤ፣ ዕጣንና ሌሎችንም ነገሮች ለማግኘት ነው። ኢጂፕሽያንስ valued Punt for the Punt's luxury goods including Mari, Aisans, gold, ebony, and exotic animals. The famous expedition of Queen Hatshepsut illustrates the importance of these trade missions during 5008 up to 4058. But A, C, and D are not correct because there is no evidence of a military alliance between Egypt and the Punt. For choice A. Religion played a role in trade. Example, license for temples, but religious expansion was not a primary reason why C is not correct. Egyptians traded with Punt but did not establish colonies there. So D is not the answer. As a result, B is the correct answer for question number 1. The geographical area of most commonly associated with Punt land was the Horn of Africa, including coastal areas of Somalia, Eritrea, and Djibouti, as the inscription of resource records in Egypt. So, Punt's exact location is debated. However, most scholars associate it with the coastal areas of the Horn of Africa. This is evidenced from resources that match descriptions from Egyptian records. A, B, and D are not the answer. The reason: Sudan was a home to other civilizations like Kush, so not for Punt. Punt was a coastal trading region, unlike the Ethiopian highlands. And the Nile Delta was with Egyptians, not associated with Punt. So C is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which Egyptian pharaoh is best known for organizing a major trade expedition to Punt? A. Ramses II. B. Hatshepsut. C. Akhenaten. D. Thutmose III. Question number 4. What evidence supports the idea that Punt was a major trading partner of Egypt? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa ragaan Punt miseensa daldala Egypt ta'uu ishee ibsu kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ፑንት የኢጅፕት የንግድ ደንበኛ መሆኗን የሚገልጸው ማስረጃ የቱ ነው? ኤ ኢጂፕሽያን ኢንስክሪፕሽንስ ኤንድ ዋል ካርቪንግስ፣ ቢ ሮማን ሂስቶሪካል ሪካርድስ፣ ሲ ግሪክ ማይትስ፣ ዲ ኦልድ ቴስታመንት ሪፍረንስስ። Queen Hatshepsut was the best known for organizing a major trade expedition to Punt. The Queen's expedition to Punt is well documented in reliefs at Deir Bahri. A and D both were powerful rulers, but neither is specifically linked to Punt's trade. C. Akhenaten was more focused on religious reforms than foreign trade. So, B is the correct answer for question number 3. Egyptian inscriptions and wall carvings like tombs in Egypt are the major evidences for the partner of Punt as a trade for Egypt. Egyptian temples and tombs feature detailed records of expedition to Punt. Romans and the Greeks were not involved in Punt trade, and the Old Testament deals not mention Punt directly. As a result, A is the correct answer for question number 4. Question number 5. What goods did Punt supply to ancient Egypt? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa meeshaaleen Punt Egyptii warra duriidhaaf dhiyeessitu kami? ከዚህ በታች ከቀረቡት ፑንት ለድሮዋ ኢጅፕት ስታቀርብ የነበረው ማቴሪያል የቱ ነው? ኤ ፓፕሩስ ኤንድ ላይምስቶን፣ ቢ ፍራንኪንሰንስ ኤንድ ማይሪ፣ ሲ አይረን ኤንድ ብሮንዝ፣ ዲ ኦሊቭ ኦይል ኤንድ ወይን።
GO lesson 17 tube miidiyaa milkoomina egeree dhalattootaa galmaan ga'uuf hundaa'e. GO lesson 17 tubein qormaata intaraansii bara 2016 keessatti gaaffii hojjechuu ibsaa fi tiitooriyaal adda addaa kennuudhaan kan barattoota gargaaruu danda'e carraa egeree dhalattootaa milkeessuudhaaf hojjechaa kan jiru GO lesson 17 tube ለመጪው ትውልድ ስኬት እየተጋ ያለ የማህበረሰቡ ሚዲያ GO lesson 17 tube ለተማሪዎች እየሰጠ ያለው ትምህርታዊ እገዛ የላቀ ነው። Oomishaalee keessan dhaabbilee barnootaa, dhaabbilee daldalaa akkasumas ogummaalee adda addaa yoo qabaattan beeksifachuu kan dandeessan ta'uu gamanumaan isin beeksisna.
6. What was the main economic activities of the kingdom of Damat? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa sochii dinagdee mootummaa ዳማት kan ta'e kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የዳማት ነገስታት ኢኮኖሚያዊ እንቅስቃሴ የሆነው የቱ ነው? ኤ ካትል ሄርዲንግ፣ ቢ አግሪካልቸር ኤንድ ትሬድ፣ ሲ ማይኒንግ ፎር ሲልቨር፣ D. Conquering neighboring states. Frankincense and myrrh are a goods that Punt did supply to ancient Egyptians. Ixaanaa fi karbee Ijiptoota duriidhaaf dhiyeessuudhaan beekamti turte Punt. Punt ከርቤንና ዕጣንን ለኤንሸንት ኢጂፕሽያኖች በማቅረብ ትታወቃለች። These resins were crucial for religious rituals and also embalming in Egypt. A and D were native to Egypt and also the Mediterranean regions. Iron and bronze were obtained from other regions like Nubia, not from Punt. So, B is the correct answer. Kanaaf gaaffii shanaffaa dhiyaate irraa wanti nuyi hubannu Egypt Nuubiyaa irraa ayireenii fi biroonzii akka argachaa turte. Dhiyeessiin Nuubiyaa Egypt duriidhaaf ayireeniidhaa fi biroonzii ta'uusaa maaliif akkaataa amma gaaffii kana gaafatameen kan Punti gaafatamtaniittu kan Nuubiyaa yoo gaafatamtan ayireenii fi biroonzii ta'uusaa hubachuu qabdu jechuudha. Filannoowwan A fi D irratti dhiyaatan waa'ee paapiruusii fi zayitaa yoo ta'e immoo Ijiptii fi naannoo Meeditiraaniyaa keessatti mi'a natiif naannoo sana keessatti kan baay'ee beekamu ta'uusaa beekuu qabdu. Okay? በዚህ ቪዲዮ ውስጥ ለዚህ ለጥያቄ ቁጥር 5 ለድሮ ግብጾች የምታቀርበው እቃዎች ዕጣንና ከርቤ መሆኑን ነው የተረዳነው። ኑቢያ ለኢጅፕት የምታቀርበው ደግሞ ተብለን ብንጠየቅ ፈተና ላይ አይረንና ብሮንዝ መሆኑን በኤና በዲ ላይ የተዘረዘሩት ፓፕሩስና ዘይት የሚሉት በኢጅፕትና ሜዲትራኒያን ዳርቻዎች ላይ በጣም ታዋቂ የሆነ ምርት መሆኑን መገንዘብ መቻል አለባችሁ። The main economic activities of Kingdom Damat was agriculture and trade. Damat thrived on agriculture, especially the cultivation of grains and the trade with Saudi Arabia. While livestock and the resources were important, they were not the primary economic activities concerning to choice A and C. And Damat focused on commerce rather than a military conquests. For this reason, B is the correct answer for question number 6. Question number 7. What foreign culture influenced the kingdom of Damat? Aadaan biyya alaa mootummaa Daamaatiin dhiibbarraan geessisaa ture kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት በዳማት መንግስት ላይ ግፊት ሲያደርግ የነበረው የውጭ ባህል የቱ ነው? ኤ ግሪክ፣ ቢ ኢጂፕሽያን፣ ሲ ሳውዝ አረቢያን፣ ዲ ፔርሺያን። Question number 8. What writing system was used in Damat? Sirni barreeffama Daamaat keessatti fayyadaman maal jedhama? በዳማት ውስጥ የሚጠቀሙበት ስርዓተ ጽሑፍ ምን ይባላል? ኤ ላቲን ስክሪፕት፣ ቢ ጊዝ ስክሪፕት፣ ሲ አረቢክ ስክሪፕት፣ ዲ ግሪክ ስክሪፕት። Question number 9. Why did Damat decline? ሞቱማን ዳማት ማሊፍ ኩፌ? የዳማት መንግስት የወደቀው ለምንድን ነው? ኤ ሮማን ኢንቨንሽን፣ ቢ ኢንቫይሮንመንታል ቼንጅስ ኤንድ ትሬድ ሽፍትስ፣ ሲ አክሱማይት ኮንኩዌስት፣ ዲ ሲቪል ዋር። ዳማት shows linguistic and architectural values by South Arabian or Saban civilization. Damat influenced by the linguistic and architectural of Saudi Arabia. A, B, and D are not the answer because these cultures influenced later Ethiopian civilization, but not Damat significantly. So, C is the correct answer. The foundation of Ethiopian writing system, Ge'ez script, is a writing system used in Damat. Hundeen jalqabbii barreeffama Itoophiyaa keessa Ge'ezin yeroo jalqabaadhaaf sirna barreeffamaa ta'ee mul'ate mootummaa Daamaት keessatti የኢትዮጵያ የጽሁፍ መሰረት የሆነው Ge'ez በመሰረቱ እየተሰራበት የነበረው በዳማት መንግስታት ነው። ኤ ሲ and D Latin script, Arabic script and Greek scripts are foreign languages to Damat. So the correct answer is B. Ge'ez script writing system was used in Damat. Environmental changes and trade shifts did facilitate the decline of Damat. Haalonni kufaatii mootummaa Daamaatiin saffisiisan jijjiirama naannoo fi jijjiirraa daldalaati። የንግድ መለወጥና የአካባቢ መቀየር የዳማትን መንግስት ውድቀት አፋጥነዋል። So the answer is B. Question number 10. What was a major technological advancements in Damat? kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa guddina ቴክኖሎጂ ዳማት kan ta'e kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የዳማት ቴክኖሎጂ እድገት የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Iron tools. B. Steam engines. C. Paper production. D. Gunpowder. Question number 11. What was Aksum's primary port? ኦዶለ ጀልቀባ አክሱም kan ta'e kami? የአክሱም የመጀመሪያ ፖርት የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. አዱልስ. B. ሜሮዌ. C. አሌክሳንድሪያ. D. መሰዋ. Question number 12. What was the main religion of Aksum before Christianity? A. Islam. B. Judaism. C. Polytheism. D. Zoroastrianism. Iron tools were used, helped in agriculture and construction. So the answer is A. But B, C, and D are not the answer because they became appear much later. The major hub for Red Sea routes was Adulis, that used as a primary port of Aksum. Meroe and Alexandria were the important one, but not they are part of Aksum. Masawa became important later. For this reason, A. Adulis was the Aksum's primary port. The answer. Aksumites worshipped a local god which is known as polytheism before Christianity. The main religion before Christianity is polytheism. C is the correct answer. Question number 13. The land of Punt was historically significant because seenaa keessatti lafti Punt barbaachisaa ta'uun isaa sababa በታሪክ ውስጥ የፑንት መሬት አስፈላጊ የነበረበት ምክንያት A. It was the first known Ethiopian kingdom. B. It was a major trading partner of ancient Egypt. C. It conquered Aksum and ruled for centuries. D. It was the origin of the first Christian church in Ethiopia. Question number 14. The kingdom of Damat is considered the precursor to Aksum because mootummaan Damat Aksumin ni dursa jedhamee kan inni yaadamuu fi Aksumin ይቀድማል ተብሎ ዳማት የምታሰብበት ምክንያት A. It was located in the same geographical area and had similar cultural practices. B. It ruled over Egypt and brought Christianity to Ethiopia. C. It was an enemy of Aksum and led to its decline. D. It introduced Islam to the region. By Egyptians, land of Punt was said to be the land of God because it was a major trading partner of ancient Egypt. So B is the correct answer. Land of Punt, often referred to as God's land by the Egyptians, was famous for its trade in gold, incense, ivory, and exotic animals. Egyptian records from the time of Hatshepsut's expedition, 50th century, which means 1508 up to 1458, provide evidence of its importance in commerce. Why A, C, and D are not the answer? Because Damat was known as the first Ethiopian kingdom, not Punt was the first known Ethiopian kingdom. C is not the answer because there is no evidence that Punt conquered Aksum. D is not the answer. This is due to Christianity is arrived in Ethiopia much later. during Aksumite rule, not during the Punt. For this reason, B is the correct answer. Okay, the kingdom of Damat is considered as the precursor to Aksum. This is because it was located in the same geographical area and had similar cultural practices. A Damat, which existed from around 10th to 5th century before current era, was centered in present-day Eritrea and northern Ethiopia. It laid the foundations for Aksum by developing agricultural practices, trade networks, and writing systems influenced by South Arabian culture. B, C, and D are not the answer. The reason: Damat never ruled Egypt. B says that Damat ruled Egypt, and Christianity came later under Aksumite king of Izana. There was no recorded conflict between Damat and Aksum. Rather, Aksum evolved from Damat. So, C is not the answer. Islam arrived in the 7th century, long after Damat disappeared. For this reason, A is the correct answer. Question number 5. What was the major factor behind Aksum's rise as a powerful kingdom? Sababni Aksum akka mootummaa humna qabeessa tokkootti akka ka'u taasise maali? የአክሱምን መንግስት እንደ ኃይለኛ መንግስት ያስነሳው ምክንያት ምንድን ነው? ኤ ኢትስ ሎኬሽን ኒር ሜጀር ትሬድ ሩትስ ኮኔክቲንግ አፍሪካ አረቢያ ኤንድ ኢንዲያ። ቢ ኢትስ ስትሮንግ ናቫል ፎርስ that conquered the Red Sea region. C. Its alliance with the Roman Empire in military campaigns. D. Its vast desert resources, which were highly valued in trade. Question number 16. One of the greatest legacies of Aksum was A. The invention of the Ge'ez script and the early coins. B. The establishment of the first African democratic system. C. The conquest of Egypt and Arabia. D. The construction of the Great Pyramid of Gaza. Aksum flourished due to its strategic location along the Red Sea. This situation allowing it to dominate regional and international trade. Aksumite became a hub for commerce in gold, ivory, and frankincense. B, C, and D are never the answer because Aksum had a strong naval presence but did not establish direct military dominance over the Red Sea region. While Aksum had trade ties with Rome, it did not engage in military alliance with it. And Aksum's wealth came from agriculture and trade, not from desert resources. Reasonably, A is the correct answer. Aksum developed Ge'ez scripts and early coins. Aksum developed the Ge'ez script, which later influenced Amharic and Tigrinya. It was also among the first African civilization to mint its own coins, demonstrating its economic power. But B, C, and D are not the answer. Why? Because under the choice B, Aksum was a monarchy, not a democracy. Under choice C, Aksum controlled parts of Arabia, example, Himar, but never conquered Egypt. D is not the answer. This is due to the Great Pyramid of Gaza was built by the Egyptians, not by Aksumites. So, A is the correct answer. Question number 17. What led to the decline of the Aksumite Empire? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeran keessaa ኩፋቲ ሞቱማ አክሱሚፍ ሰበበ kan ta'u kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ለአክሱም መንግስት መውደቅ ምክንያት የሆነው የቱ ነው? ኤ ሮማን ኢንቨንሽንስ ኤንድ ዲስትራክሽንስ ኦፍ አክሱማይት ሲቲስ፣ ቢ ክላይሜቲክ ቼንጅ፣ ሎስ ኦፍ ትሬድ ሩትስ ኤንድ pressure from Islamic expansion, ሲ the rise of Damat as a rival kingdom, D the spread of Greek culture which led to internal conflicts. Question number 18. What was the earliest written resource that mentions Aksum? Maddi meeshaa barreeffamaa Aksumiin ibsu kanneen armaan gadii keessaa kami? የጽሁፍ ምንጭ ሆኖ አክሱምን የሚገልጸው ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የቱ ነው? ኤ ዘ ባይብል፣ ቢ ዘ ፐሪፕለስ ኦፍ ዘ ኤሪትሪያን ሲ፣ ሲ ዘ ክብረ ነገስት፣ ዲ ዘ ሮሴታ ስቶን። The decline of Aksumite empire was in fact multiple factors like climate change, loss of trade routes, pressure from Islamic expansion that reduced Aksum's control over Red Sea trade. Romans never invaded Aksum, so A is not the answer. Damat preceded Aksum and not a rival, so C is not the answer. Greek influence shaped Aksum's culture but did not lead to conflict, so D is again not the answer. Reasonably, the correct answer for question number 7 is B. During 50 AD, the purpose of the Erythraean Sea was the earliest written source that mentioned Aksum. It describes Aksum's trade networks and names the king Zoskalas as a ruler who communicated in a Greek. The Bible under choice A is incorrect because Aksum is not directly mentioned in the Bible. Kibra Nagast is not correct since this text was written much later during the medieval period. So C is not the answer. The Rosetta Stone was incorrect because it is an Egyptian artifact with no reference to Aksum. So B is the correct answer for question number 18. Question number 19. What was the major port city of Aksum? A. Adulis, B. Zeila, C. Harar, D. Masawa. Question number 20. What languages were used to Aksumite inscriptions? A. Amharic, Arabic, and Latin, B. Saban, Greek, and Ge'ez, C. Swahili, Tamil, and Persian, D. Hebrew, French, and Oromo. Adulis was the major port city of Aksum, which is located on the Red Sea, and it was a crucial hub for international trade with Egypt, Rome, India, and the Arabian Peninsula. The purpose of the Erythraean Sea describes Adulis as being about 50 days from Aksum capital. B is not the answer because Zeila became important during the Islamic period, not during the Aksum's time. Harar is incorrect because Harar was a major center in the medieval period unrelated to Aksum. Masawa is incorrect since Masawa became a significant port much later after Aksum's decline. For this reason, A is the correct answer for question number 19. Aksumite inscriptions were written by Saban, Greek, and Ge'ez scripts. B is the correct answer. Question number 21. Which Aksumite ruler is mentioned in the Peripulus of Erythraean Sea? A. Izana, B. Caleb, C. Zoskales, D. Menelik First. Question number 22. What was a major factor in Aksum's economic success? kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa sababa milkaa'ina diinagdee Aksum kan ta'e kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የአክሱም ኢኮኖሚያዊ ስኬት የሆነ ምክንያት የቱ ነው? ኤ ኢትስ ኮንትሮል ኦቨር አትላንቲክ ኦሽን ትሬድ፣ ቢ ኢትስ ሞኖፖሊ ኦን ጎልድ ማይኒንግ፣ ሲ ኢትስ ስትራቴጂክ ሎኬሽን አላንግ ሬድ ሲ ትሬድ ሩትስ፣ ዲ ኢትስ ኮንኩስት ኦፍ ሳውዝ አረቢያ። አኮርዲንግ ቱ the purpose of the Eritrean Sea description, Zoskales was the ruler of Aksumites. Here, Izana is incorrect because he was later king in the 4th century AD, famous for adopting Christianity. Caleb is incorrect because Caleb ruled Aksum in the 6th century AD. Menelik first is incorrect since Menelik is a legendary figure associated with the Kibra Nagast and is not historically linked to Aksum. So, C is the correct answer. The major factor for Aksum's economic success was its strategic location along Red Sea trade routes. The strategic location of Aksum's between the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean allowed to control and benefit from trade between Africa, Arabia, and the Mediterranean. But A, B, and D are not the answer. Why? Because A, its control over the Atlantic Ocean trade is incorrect. Because Aksum had no access to Atlantic Ocean. Its monopoly on gold mining is incorrect since Aksum traded gold but did not have a monopoly on gold mines. Its conquest of Saudi Arabia is incorrect because although Aksum briefly controlled parts of Saudi Arabia, its wealth came primarily from trade, not from conquest. So, C is the correct answer.
chaanaalii keessan Ji'oo Lesson 17 tiዩbii waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Ji'oo Lesson 17 tiዩብ chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Ji'oo Lesson 17 tiዩብ chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu